Hey, Danny, what do you want? Cheese. Do you want a fruit snack? How do you say snack? Can you say snack? You are saying it. Can you say snack? Snack. Here's. You're welcome.
Can I have one too?
No, these are Danny's snacks. You need to eat some cereal before you get a snack.
Why?
Because it's breakfast time.
Snack. Snack. Okay. Snack. I'm not hungry.
Oh, you want a snack?
No.
You're welcome. I love you.
Cereal.
Okay, what kind of cereal would you like?
Rice Chex.
We don't have any rice Chex.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
More what?
More.
Oh, that's not how we ask. What do you want?
Snack.
A snack.
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 Snack. Snack.
There you go. No, this is Danny's.
Share.
You need to eat cereal first, or a breakfast taco.
Wait.
Okay, we can get you some life.
Wait. More.
More what?
More.
What is it? What do you want? Do you want a snack? Here, it's right here. Danny. There's no snacks in there. The snack is in Mommy's hand. What is it? You're welcome. You went away. Oh, hi. I love you. Okay. You want your last one? Okay, how do you ask? Please. And what do you want? Do you want a snack? Snack. Okay. Love you.